Yeah, we know our gear's cool. You don't have to tell us that. And I don't just mean looks. Our gear is now lighter, stronger, and more breathable than ever before. So, how cool is our gear? Well, too cool for these conditions.
Hope they won't shoot me down.
For more information on the products listed in this video, click on the link in the description area below. Feel free to call us with any questions or place an order at 800-969-7501. Don't forget to smash that like button, comment, share, and subscribe for all of the latest DK events, videos, and promos.